Alright, so we're switching it up this week and we're going to do some EMOM workouts. So that stands for every minute on the minute. Essentially, you have 1 minute to complete the amount of reps that I've given you. So for the first one, you're going to do 5 butt kicks and then go down into a plank. So essentially like a burpee. I want you to do 20 of those. So you have 1 minute to do that. That will include your rest time. And then once the 2-minute mark hits, once the 1 minute is up, then you're going to go right into your next exercise. So this will take you about 6 minutes. I'll have you rest in between each round for 1 full minute, and then you'll do it 3 to 5 times. So your first movement, this is the 5 butt kicks. Jump down into a plank. Try not to let your hips sink so far down like I'm doing when I jump back into the plank. This is kind of like a burpee without the added jump at the top or the push-up. So just like that, 5 kicks. Your next move is some forward lunges. I have showing you that I have my hands behind my head. I'm lunging forward. You can do backward if you prefer this, but for this workout I chose to do forward lunges. You can also put your hands on your hips. You want to make sure your weight's in your heel of your front foot. You're not banging your knee on the ground. And your knee is not jetting past your toe. Your next move is a side step squat. So you're going to step in, step back out, do your squat, and alternate sides. Keep your torso up, your weight in your heels. Grab a dog if you want to do some added weight. I got very excited about that. Anyways, and then, yeah, so you're just going to do that. Here's another view showing you I'm keeping my torso up. My knees are not jutting in towards each other. And yeah. So your next move is a push-up. Make sure you're engaging your core. You're not letting your hips sink down. Make sure also you're not letting your neck shoot forward. I do that a lot by accident. And then I'm also showing you can totally do them on your knees. You could do 7 on your feet and 7 or 8 on your knees, totally whatever works for you. Here's a jump squat with a crossover. I'm touching down at the bottom. You can touch down with both hands or one hand. You do not need to touch the ground, so we don't want to compromise our form too much. And the last move we have are some climber taps. So you're going to get into your high plank. You're going to touch your left hand to your right foot, your right hand to your left foot. Go nice and slow with these. They're really challenging. I love them. I feel them in my core and my shoulders so much. So yeah, make sure you're taking it slow. And yeah, that's your workout. Good job.